when every step feels heavy on the ground. Your gentle whisper comes softly to my heart, and in your arms my peace is always found. You breathe your strength into my empty places. You light the darkness with your holy flame. You lift my soul to heaven when I am falling low. You hold me close and whisper, child, you're not alone. In every storm you shelter me, in every tear you stay. Oh Lord, you lift my soul to heaven. You are my strength each day. When fear surrounds me and doubts begin to rise, your perfect love comes washing over me. You stand beside me, Emmanuel, my hope. With every breath, your grace sets me free. You calm the waves that try to pull me under. You speak one word and all the winds obey. You lift my soul to heaven when I am falling low. You hold me close and whisper, child, you're not alone. In every storm you shelter me, in every tear you stay. Oh Lord, you lift my soul to heaven. You are my strength each day. When the mountains rise before me and the valleys block my way, you reach down with your mercy and you guide me by your grace. For your love is everlasting and your promise never fades. You are faithful, God, my Savior, lifter of my days. You lift my soul to heaven when I am falling low. You carry me through battles I thought I'd never know. Your presence is my victory. You love my resting place. Oh Lord,